Hey guys, Easton here with Raised Outdoors, and today we're talking about turkeys and getting ready for turkey season. The call I'm reviewing today is the Woodhaven Real Hen Walnut box call. I already pulled it out of the box, and you're going to see it comes with two different things here. One is a strap, okay, and all that strap does is it goes around the box call, like so. It'd go around there, and you make it tight so that it doesn't make any noise or anything, whether it's in your pack or you drop it or something, so that when you're walking around, it doesn't make any noise. Next part, which is pretty cool, I haven't seen this in any other box call before, is this little clip right here. All you do is you slide that clip onto this Velcro piece, and then now you can hook your box call right on your pocket, on a belt strap, whatever it is that you want to put it there for easy access. So that is huge. I like that a lot. Next thing I'm going to show you guys just what it sounds like. So I put a little more chalk on this already, but it really doesn't need much right out of the box, and this is what it sounds like. So I really like the yelps. Those are pretty clean and real loud. Let's see what the cuts sound like. I like it. That is a heck of a good sounding box call right there. That is the Real Hen, the Walnut. It's in the Raised Outdoors store. If you guys are interested, think you like something like that, you like the capabilities it comes with, go ahead and check it out on the Raised Outdoors store at raisedoutdoors.com. Thanks.